The next one is Igbanke people. Last week we had somebody rally there saying that you guys are not Benin, you are Igbo. No problem. This 2025, you have a right to associate with whoever you want to associate with. But you know that land belongs to Edo, belongs to Bini Kingdom. So if you know you are Igbo, you can pack your load and go. It's as simple as that. Don't be everything they fight for. Don't be everything. And for those of Unawe Bieze, Senator Ned Nwoko, we can see what you are doing, sir. Honorable sir, we see your job. We see how you are doing. You are doing everything possible to become a governor of Anyoma State. We know, and you are trying. You are all those suspended and okay. They are snapping pictures with you. No problem. But sir, please, we want to let you know that it has already been passed to law. They are no more in Oge. And so no matter how much picture they snap with you, they can never be king in Igbanke land again. They can never go there and become king anymore. Because the kings in Edo, the Enoges in Edo, is way appointed by the Omonoba Edo. As it's hereditary. It's given to family. Some is elected, some is appointed, and some is hereditary. Yeah. So that's for that. And we are not even hearing from those of you in Igbanke also. None of you are speaking. You are just quiet. The people I see are those people from Akumazi. They are the one coming to Igbanke to say Igbanke is not Benin. We are not dragging anybody. Anybody that don't want to be Benin, shh, go. It's as simple as that. This is 2025. We're not drag anybody. If you don't want to be Benin, you can go. Go and belong to anywhere you want to belong to. You have freedom to belong to anywhere. But the truth is this. The land you stay right now, it's a Benin land. So if you know you are not Benin, you can as well go to where you are coming from. That is it. Me, I'm not get power to come the fight.
That girl you are seeing there is just saying all sort of rubbish. She's just disgracing herself, saying all sort of rubbish, just like other Benin people are saying concerning Igbanke people. Let's pinpoint the rubbish that she said one after the other. She said that Igbanke land belongs to Edo, it belongs to Bini Kingdom, and that if you don't identify as Bini, you should leave Igbanke land. Come and chase Igbanke people away from their land, let's see. You want to chase people from their ancestral land, from their own land? So many Bini people are saying that same thing. If you are from Igbanke and you say you are not Bini, leave Igbanke land. Come and chase them away now. Are you people afraid? What are you people afraid of? If you mean it that you own the land, then you are free to invade them. Yes, you can invade them. Do whatever you like. But what we are telling you people that we will not get that mind to do them. Now not be before. Where they invade people, they capture people, they sell into slavery, they use people for sacrifice. All those era don't pass. You own Igbanke people only online by back and saying all sort of rubbish. But the Igbanke that we know is Igbanke. They are in their land. You can't chase them away. Igbanke people said that they are not Benin people, that they are Igbo people. And you people are pained. They stood against your expansionist agenda and you all are online backends. She said that Senator Ned is trying to be the governor of Anyoma State. Why is it paining Benin people that Senator Ned wants to be the next governor of Anyoma State when created? Una no want to make it chop for when you work from. They say, now where person they work, now they chop. So, if he becomes the first governor of Anyoma State, we Anyoma people are not complaining as far as he have given us Anyoma State. This is why Oramian called this Ile Binu people land of versation. That's why he called them Ile Ibinu, land of versation. They too the verse. Bitter people joy not their body ndi way. That's why I call them Ndio Binu. Person they fight for Anyoma State, they pepper you. Are you from Anyoma land? No. Why are you Bini people crying? If Senator Ned become the first governor of Anyoma State, that is our prayer. Senator Ned is a man of vision. Why is he paying you Bini people? You Bini people that cannot even become a single state. In Edo State self, you people are a minority. Minority won't claim everywhere. One state self, on not reach to be one state. She said that it has been passed to law that the kings of Igbanke people are no longer Enoge. And that no matter the pictures that those kings take with Senator Ned, that they are no longer Enoge because the king in Edo are appointed by the Oba of Bini. Ewo Nzuzu Akale na Bini. Your Oba suspend person and the person still there in throne. They govern in community. You know, should say that law where your Oba make they invalid. It's invalid because those kings are still on their throne. What they want now is to be free from Bini oppression. Not be say your Oba not suspended. They still they function for their kingdom. Chuku just used this suspension that came from your Oba to expose you people. Chukwu used your Oba to tell the world why Igbanke people want to join Anioma State. You know, say una no get sense. Your Oba law dey active, people wey suspend still dey throne. Oba pass law. He pass law, people wey suspend still dey throne. And you are proud of it, you not get shame, instead of to cover your face in shame. If your Oba have passed the law, okay, since he have suspended Igbanke kings, what is the Oba waiting for to install new people that will rule over Igbanke people? We know that if it's in Bini speaking communities where your Oba control those enoges, fine. We know how many way don't remove before. But why have he not replaced the kings in the Igbanke land since he have that power? If to say he bring out people to say, okay, these 6 people, I don't remove Igbanke king, so now I won't put. He should bring those people, let's see. Only you people said that your Oba have suspended Igbanke kings. You people have still not showed us the people that your Oba want to install upon them. It shows that your Oba have no power over Igbanke people. He not get power reach there. Because Igbanke is not Bini territory. The Oba Bini have no power. See, he have no power to install anyone to rule over Igbanke people. Because the matter go hot. Like, you go past this level where it is so. You are forcing Bini identity on people that say that they are not Bini people. Are you not ashamed of yourself? They were suspended. Or you make your Oba put new people to rule over them. Enough you put. That rubbish cannot happen in this 21st century. Igbanke remains Igbo land, and there is nothing anyone from Bini can do about it. Igbanke people are Igbos, and the entire Igbo race stand by them. If you touch Igbanke people, you have touched the entire Igbo race. Listen to our brother from Igbanke as he replies this useless girl from Bini.
Whoever you want to associate with, but you know that land belongs to Edo, belongs to Bini Kingdom. So if you know you are Igbo, you can...
Which land belong to Edo? Belong to Bini. Our Igbanke land now belong to Bini. You are very sick. You are sick for your head. You and your family, not only you. You and your parents. If I didn't tell you that one, you are very sick. And I hope not be. I believe, I respect Oban. I know she not be tell you that one. So this whole nonsense talk where I talk for a year. To say it deal with me for a year, they can't slap on and for tear you. And you know, repeat that kind of word where I talk. Thunder fire you. Say more pack come off our land. We they speak the same language. If they hear Igbanke, you know they hear. Are we doing the same culture? No. Say Igbanke land in your line. If they say they here,